Question number 1. Excel is a dash program developed by Microsoft. Options: Microsoft, spreadsheet, document, all of the above. Correct answer: spreadsheet. Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. An Excel workbook is a collection of options: workbooks, worksheets, charts, worksheets and charts. Correct answer: worksheets and charts. Which key do you press to check spelling? Options: F3, F5, F7, F9. Correct answer: F7. Microsoft Excel is used for options: analysis, data entry, accounting, all of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. What is the collection of worksheets called? Options: ledger, book, textbook, workbook. Correct answer: workbook. Excel displays the current cell address in the options: formula bar, status bar, name box, title bar. Correct answer: name box. Excel displays the current cell address in the name box. The total number of columns in a worksheet. Options: 26, 256, 12,834, 16,384. Correct answer: 16,384. What is the column width in a worksheet? Options: 26 characters, 128 characters, 255 characters, 256 characters. Options: 255 characters. The total number of characters that a cell contains is options: 32,767 characters, 32,768 characters, 65,535 characters, 1,32,767 characters. Correct answer is 32,767 characters. The total number of rows in a worksheet. Correct answer: 1,48,576. How many users can open the Excel file at the same time? Options: 64 users, 128 users, 256 users, 512 users. Correct answer: 256 users. The intersection of a column and a row in a worksheet is called options: box, cell, range, page break. Correct answer: cell. The fill function can be dashed to complete formulas and arrange. Options: single clicked, double clicked, triple clicked, right clicked. Correct answer: double clicked. Which function is used to trap and handle errors? Correct answer: if error. Which function is used to match multiple values and returns the first match? Options: if else, if, switch. Correct answer: switch. Which function is used to create a date with year, month and day? Options: date, dated if, date value, cure date. Correct answer: date. Which function is used to get days, months or year between two dates? Options: date, dated if, date value, cure date. Correct answer: date if. What is the keyboard shortcut to insert a sum formula in MS Excel? Options: Control plus equal to, Alt plus equal to, Alt plus S, Control plus Alt plus equal to. Correct answer: Alt plus equal to. The currently selected cell address is displayed in options: name box, formula bar, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer: name box. Which programming language is used to write a macro in MS Excel? Option C, C++, Java, Visual Basic. Correct answer: Visual Basic. Under which tab the chart options are available in MS Excel? Options: Data, Insert, Review, View. Correct answer: Insert. Which chart type is used to show the proportions of a bile? Options: Area chart, bar chart, donut chart, hierarchy chart. Correct answer: donut chart. What is the keyboard shortcut to insert a new comment in a cell in MS Excel? Options: F2, Control plus F2, Alt plus F2, Shift plus F2. Correct answer: Shift plus F2. Under which menu we can insert header and footer on the sheet? Options: Format, Review, Data, Insert. Options. Correct answer: Insert. Show, hide, grid lines options is available in the dash menu. Options: Page layout, data, insert, format. Correct answer: page layout. Which function is used to remove extra spaces from text in the MS Excel? Options: Remove, trim, trunk, all of the above. Correct answer: trim. What is the shortcut key to highlight the entire column? Options: Control plus C, Control plus Enter, Control plus Page Up, Control plus Spacebar. Correct answer: Control plus Spacebar. In the formula, which symbol specifies the fixed columns and rows? Options: dollar, multiply, percentage, semicolon. Correct answer: dollar. To remove the content of selected cells, you must issue dash command. Options: delete, clear content, clear all, clear delete. Correct answer: clear content. Which command will you choose to convert a column of data into row? Options: cut and paste, paste special, transpose, both of above, none of above. Correct answer: paste special, transpose.